Have you ever wondered how to close your Credit Karma spend account? If you're looking for a way to simplify your finances or you're no longer using this product, this video will show you the step-by-step process. Credit Karma Spend is a debit card program that allows you to earn rewards on your everyday purchases. While it can be a helpful tool for managing your finances, there may come a time when you want to close your account. Whether you're switching to a different card or simply want to streamline your finances, closing your Credit Karma Spend account can be a straightforward process. Step 1. Sign into your Credit Karma account. The first step is to sign into your Credit Karma account. Go to creditkarma.com and enter your login credentials. Step 2. Navigate to the Spend tab. Once you're logged in, click on the Spend tab at the top of the page. This will take you to your Credit Karma Spend dashboard. Step 3. Click on Account Settings. On your Spend dashboard, click on the Account Settings button. This will open a new page with your account information. Step 4. Select Close Account. Under the Account Settings page, you'll see an option to close account. Click on this button to initiate the closure process. Step 5. Confirm your decision. Credit Karma will ask you to confirm your decision to close your account. Read the information carefully and click on Confirm to proceed. Step 6. Complete the closure process. After confirming your decision, Credit Karma will guide you through the remaining steps of the closure process. This may include completing a short survey or providing additional information. Step 7. Wait for confirmation. Once you've completed all the necessary steps, Credit Karma will send you a confirmation email to your registered email address. This email will typically include the date on which your account will be closed. Step 8. Monitor your account. After you've closed your Credit Karma Spend account, you may want to monitor your credit reports and other financial accounts for any activity related to the closure. This can help you ensure that all the necessary transactions have been completed. Additional tips. Backup your data. If you want to save any information from your Credit Karma Spend account, such as transaction history or rewards points, be sure to back up your data before closing your account. Cancel any recurring payments. If you have any recurring payments set up through your Credit Karma Spend account, be sure to cancel them before closing your account. Contact customer support. If you have any questions or concerns about closing your Credit Karma Spend account, you can contact Credit Karma's customer support for assistance. Closing your Credit Karma Spend account is a simple process that can be completed in just a few steps. By following the instructions in this video, you can easily close your account and streamline your finances. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.